Odisha police raided 32 locations across Baleshwar, Bhadrak and Mayurbhanj under a cattle smuggling crackdown. Our source said over 50 lakh cash, gold, property papers, firearms and weapons were seized and cattle rescued. 18 platoons were deployed under DIG Pinak Mishra. The centre has doubled daily allocation of 5 kg free trade LPG cylinders for migrant labourers. The Petroleum Ministry said supply will be based on daily averages, exceeding the earlier 20% cap, with cylinders distributed via states and oil companies. The Chhatisa Nijog meeting was held at the Jagannath Temple office in Puri to finalize rituals for the upcoming Chandan Yatra starting April 20. The festival will mark the commencement of Rath construction and feature grand processions of deities to Narendra Pokhri. With huge devotee turnout expected, discussions focused on crowd control, ritual discipline and smooth conduct of the celebrations. Air India has announced a hike in fuel surcharge across domestic and international routes as global jet fuel prices nearly doubled in March. The airline will adopt a distance-based surcharge for domestic flights ranging from $299 to $899 rupees, while international routes will see charges up to $280. Despite the revision, Air India says it continues to absorb a significant portion of rising fuel costs. With less than some hours left for Donald Trump's ultimatum to Iran on reopening the Strait of Hormuz, fresh strikes have hit Iran's critical oil hub, Kurg Island. The island came under attack, marking a major escalation in the ongoing conflict between US and Iran. The small but strategically vital island was reportedly hit by several strikes. Amid the disruption in global energy supplies due to ongoing US-Iran conflict, Pakistan has announced a smart lockdown. The government has ordered markets, malls and commercial centres in Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Baluchistan, Islamabad, Gilgit-Baltistan and POK to close by 8 pm, with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa headquarters allowed until 9 pm. Astronauts aboard Artemis 2 re-established contact with NASA after a 40-minute communication blackout, marking a key moment in the first human lunar flyby mission in over 50 years. Odia film producer Ravi Swain died around 6 am Tuesday while under treatment for liver cirrhosis, our sources said. He passed away at a private hospital in Bhubaneswar and was known for films like Jor Jar Mulak Tar and Udandi Sita.